Hello, everybody. It's a grove. Do you go groving? Does your home love the planet? And are you a force of nature? Well, you can be with Grove. And that's what I have today is my Grove box. And it says on there, Planet Loves Vicky. So anyways, Vicky's my name. Miss Jackie Russell is my channel. And if you're new here, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. And if you like stories and recalls, and I just had a story about me and how I met David Frizzell, the country western singer. And it was quite funny, actually. And you might want to see that. And I had several freaky recalls. I'm talking about candy like Hershey's and all kinds of stuff. Coca-Cola, I mean, like we're talking major, but it's just in 3 states. So be sure and go check my Freaky Friday report and story time with David Frizzell. Now, I've got a Grove order here. Grove is now doing green rewards. And you can still be a VIP and get your usual VIP things, but you can also not be a VIP and get free shipping with orders over, I think it's $69. You can also get points for future purchases with every purchase. You get 1 to 3 if you're not a VIP. If you're a VIP, you get about, I think, 3 to 6% off your purchase price that you can use as a credit toward the next order. You also get 6 to 7 VIP gifts that can range from $5 to $30. And I've got a little story on that, and I'll tell you. Great customer service, and they do take care of you, and that'll be part of my story. And I'm trying to think what else. Oh, the VIP does cost $29.99, but your shipping is free no matter how many times you ship. So you can pay for that within you can probably pay for that within 4 to 5 shippings, because shipping is $6.99 plus a $1.99 handling fee or something. But anyways, let's see what I got. This is a small order. I really didn't want to order, but they had their free gift come up, and then my husband needed a couple of things, so I went ahead and ordered. But the VIP gifts came up, and they were all $30 value, $29.99 or $27.99. They were all different vitamins from different companies like New Chapter, and I think Hum. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that, but I put my bottle in for a prebiotic, and all of a sudden they sent me an email telling me that I needed to hurry up because all the VIP gifts were gone. Well, I wasn't too happy about that, okay? I've been a VIP for 5 or 6 years, so I didn't appreciate feeling like I had to rush to get my order out. I had just did my order, and then they come out with new VIP gifts. And so I sent them this real, very well said email about how VIPs, no matter if they're brand new or if they're older like me, there should be enough VIP products for all your VIPs, and there should never be a reason that you run out, and that you should never tell your VIP person that they don't have a VIP gift when they tell you you're going to get 6 to 7 a year. I also told them how, that's bad press. It's bad business. And I don't appreciate it. And I told them I didn't think my viewers would appreciate it either. And like I said, I fired that sucker off, and I told them, I said, I hope you do share this with your management, because this is not the first time it's happened. And I'm getting a little bit tired of it. I said, I am happy that you're getting VIP customers. And I told them I have even brought you a bunch of VIP customers over the last 5 or 6 years. And I'm happy that you're still growing. But if you're going to grow, you've got an inventory that you can push a button to tell you how many VIP customers you have. And if it's 1 million, then you better have 1 million VIP gifts. If you know you're going to get an influx of new members within that time frame, you need to do a percentage of about, 5 to 10% overage. You can put it in your inventory if you don't give them all out. But anyway, I was very specific, and they got back with me, and they did not give me my product that was out because it was sold out. But they did give me a $20 credit, which I realize is not $29.99. But if you think about it, their inventory, as far as it costing them, they gave me the dollars probably, and I don't know this for sure, but there has to be a profit margin, where you have inventory and you've got to have a set price percentage. Like at the auto parts store, we always had a 30% at least profit line margin. I don't know what their profit line margin is, but you've got the cost of the product, then you have your profit line, and then you also have to have your operating line, because just because the product costs you $9 and you're going to, make 30%, you're still going to have to pay rent, you still got to pay advertising and all your other costs to have the product available to your customer. So you have to put all those costs into that. Okay, was that a fun marketing and inventory rant? All right, I'm getting off of it. Okay, well, they had some sales, and I've been loving their hand soap, so I purchased this for like $4.99. It's hand soap, it's Winter Grove, and I'm thinking that it is, oh yes, it's that pine scent. Oh, I love that. I love candles like that too. And by the way, if I haven't suggested, please subscribe, hit that like button, especially the like button, and hit that notification bell as I smell this. Oh, it's dreamy. Do you love that? I love candles in the wintertime that smell like pine forest. Oh my goodness, that smells excellent. I'm so happy I got it. If you like the pine scent, this is great. It's perfect. The next thing that I got was some dish soap. Now, I wish they would have had the dish soap in winter, but it was sold out. So I got it in Citron White Rose. And you guys know I like rose, so I thought I'll see how this smells. Oh, it smells good. It smells different than I expected. It's not, the rose must be like, the white rose must be like an undertone scent, because it smells lovely and it doesn't smell rosy. So that citron, so the citrus must be in there more than the rose. Very nice. And as you can see, this is 16 fluid ounces of dish soap. This was $5.99. And if I'm wrong, of course, I'll be writing that across there. And this was 13 fluid ounces for $4.99. Now, the next thing that I purchased, I need it for my bathroom, and I don't remember how much this was, but this is the Antibac Method All-Purpose Cleaner. And I don't know why it doesn't say for the bathroom, because I thought I was getting it for the bathroom. Well, I'm still going to use it there. It kills 99.9% of household germs. And it's antibacterial. Oh, and it smells so good. Everything smells so good because they use essential oils. And that's one of the things that I really love about them. And it even says on there, cuts grease and grime. So I could use this in the kitchen. And maybe I will, because it smells so good, and I'll just have to go back and find the bathroom one. But those are all the key things for kitchen surfaces, countertops, high chairs, doorknobs, garbage cans. All right, well, I guess this is going to be a kitchen item. Now, the next few items I got for my husband, I don't remember. This here was a free gift. All of a sudden, they're giving free gifts. And you do, as a VIP, if a vendor offers a free gift, if you're a VIP, you get an opportunity to get it. And this is a shave and face bar, and it's Field's, and it really doesn't have a scent, which is probably good, because you don't really want scents sometimes, on your face. It's uncycled coffee and shea butter, and it lathers up for precision shave, and it's gentle cleansing bar. So I got that for my husband, and like I said, I don't know how much that is because it was free. And then my husband let me know that he needed his men's multi, And this here are little gummies, and he takes 2 a day, and they're the berry flavor, and he really likes them. And it's got a blend of A, C, D, E, the B vitamins, and zinc. And then that's the details in case you want to get it for your husband. This bottle ran about $12.99 through Grove. And then the last thing that I got was 2 little free samples from Up Circle. I got face oil and I got eye cream, which I try these out. They work pretty good. And then the thing that I got with my $20 is I used it against True Grace omega-3 fish oil because my husband, I'm giving him omega-3s. Now it has 6s in it, but I want you to see that on the EPA it's 800 milligrams, and on the DHA it's 600 milligrams. Now you want to try to get as high as you can on the EPA and the DHA, but the DHA is the omega-3s. And actually 750 would be better, but I also give him flaxseed oil, which has omega-3s, and that helps him get over his 700 milligrams of this. So this is a really good fish oil. It doesn't taste fishy, and I've even bit into them and chewed them up so I could tell, because I don't like that burpy fish taste at all. So this is highly concentrated for brain, heart, and immune health. 1,400 milligrams of EPA, DHA per serving is what it says. So we've got that, and that you can screenshot. So he is getting enough from this, and it's supposed to really help brain health with the neurons and with the nerve endings and with brain focus, and also for your heart and immune health. The omega-3s are really the ones you want to shoot for that has that DHA in it. That's very, very important. But this was $31. I used my $20 VIP against it, and I had to pay $11 for it. But it was worth it to me because I was going to have to order these anyways. And choice-wise, I would rather have these than the other because he needs these, and I can do without some probiotics. So that's my Grove order. That's all I have today. Now, I don't know when Mary Catherine Loves Cats is going to have an order, but you can check her channel periodically. Go watch her anytime, but she does get Grove. Okay, guys, that's my Grove. And I do recommend Grove, and I will have a link down in my description that you can save 25% off of your first order of $75 or more for new customers. And I think they give you a free VIP for like 3 months, but I don't want to say that it's all the time. But you might want to check into it if you're interested. And like I said, even though I couldn't get my original VIP, I'm real happy that I was able to use it to get these for my husband, because it's very important for him to get his omega-3s, and you too. And I take omega-3s too. And be sure and go check out Mary's, see if she's got a Grove order that's come out, and anyone else that might have a Grove, because they have so many different items. You just might find that you would like to Grove as well. So as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.